How to download and install DeepSeek AI application on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and install DeepSeek AI app on device. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to launch Play Store application and go ahead and tap on Games. Tap on search icon in bottom right corner of your screen and tap the search bar. Now type in DeepSeek and search for DeepSeek application. So, here is the official DeepSeek AI Assistant app. Tap Install button and then you need to wait until it is downloaded and installed on your Android device. So, you need to wait until it is shown on your home screen. Then, after that, it will simply be easy to access and you can easily use this AI assistant app on your device. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.